Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be using hair paint wax. So I have the hair paint wax right here, and I am going to be doing the color purple. I've never done purple hair paint wax before, so I can't wait to see it. I really hope that I'm able to achieve my curl hair dreams. I hope those are going to be achieved today. So here's my hair after washing it and everything like that. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be using the Pacifica Pineapple Curls Curl Defining Shampoo. This one has worked for my hair. I really like it, so I would suggest this one for you guys too. The next product that I'm going to be using in my hair is the Pantene ProV Repair and Protect Conditioner. This one really helps with detangling my hair, so I would suggest this. It isn't sulfate free though, but it really does help with the conditioning process. After the shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to be styling my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. This one really makes my curls feel really moisturized. All right, you guys, time for the hair paint wax. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. This is the purple hair paint wax. I got it off of Instagram. I'll link that below, but I really can't wait to see how this is gonna look. I have been wanting my curls to be purple for so long. This is like the safest and best way for me to try to achieve that. So let's go. Guys, I just finished washing and detangling my hair. Now it's time to go ahead and put in the leave-in and then the hair paint wax. So I'm doing this in the shower because the hair paint wax makes so much of a mess. So it's really easy. It makes it a lot quicker cleanup, so that way you could just like rinse it down and wash everything off, and then it just goes down the drain. The hair paint wax washes off really simply. You just hop back in the shower and you just wash it off whenever you're ready. You just use some water. You can use your shampoo and water, and boom, hair paint wax is gone. So first I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up. So you guys, I'm gonna start off with the leave-in, and I'm gonna just go ahead and style my hair. Like I said in my other video, I can't get this out. There it is. Jeez, they need to fix that. As you can see, I'm almost done styling my hair, so this side of my hair is already styled while this side still needs some work. So this side versus this one. All right, you guys, now that I have completed styling my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the hair paint wax. Okay, so typically when I do hair paint wax, I do it with gloves, but my nails are not super long anymore, so do I want to do them with gloves? Okay, guys, so I got my gloves now, and it's time to dive into the wax. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so before we do that, let's pop up our hair. So now that my hair is propped up, I am going to dive into the wax. Okay, look at the consistency is a little off right now. Let me just like mix it up. Okay, so you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and do it like this. Oh my gosh. Ah! I see nothing. I see nothing. Hello. Oh my gosh, my hair is gonna be purple. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. The technique that I'm using is the raking method. So I'm basically raking the ends, and then I'm putting all of it on the top of my hair and then raking it down. Okay, you guys, my hair is purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, So it's gonna look completely different when it's dry. So we're gonna do that little whoop whoop, and so you can see how it looks when it's dry. But okay guys, this is how it's looking so far while it's wet. Okay, a lot of different colors going on here. It really does not look just all like purple right now, but we shall see. I want to show you the inside of the container. So there's still a lot left. It looks like you could use more, like boop. You could do more later on if you wanted to. So the thing about this though, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more while I chat. The thing about this is that the hair paint wax, you don't want to use too much product before doing the hair paint wax. You just want to use a light leave-in conditioner, because the hair paint wax will hold as a gel kind of. The wax will hold your hair, your curl pattern, so you kind of want to think of it kind of like a gel. So don't overload your hair. Don't overload your hair with too much product before applying the hair paint wax, because then your hair is just going to weigh you down. It's going to have too much stuff going on it. So you just want like a light leave-in before doing it. Okay, baby. Okay. Look at that. Alrighty. Okay, purple girl. Is there a purple Power Ranger? Go, go, Power Rangers. Okay. And let me do like the back, the top. Alright, guys, that's it for this portion of the video. But let's go ahead and move on so you can see how my hair looks dried. Let's do this. Alright guys, my hair has dried already. So this is what it's looking like already, but I'm still gonna wait until tomorrow morning so I can see how it's looking, because it's gonna look completely different. Like this is like my post wet dry kind of look, like my after showering dry. So it's a lot more laid, and then the top is looking fine too, but like tomorrow it's gonna be bigger, so we'll just wait. Hey Trendy Squad, I hope you guys are ready for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.